everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to turn off annoying Facebook sounds on iPhone or iPad. Are you trying to turn off the annoying chipping sound on Facebook on your iPhone? I know it might have appeared out of nowhere. Many users on Able forums and Reddit have reported the same. Facebook added in-app sound effects on Facebook and its new version. As a result, when you scroll the news feed, comment, post or refresh the feed, you get a sound. Although you can mute your iPhone, this is not an ideal solution. Fortunately, you can disable these sounds. In this video I'll show you how to turn off in-app sounds on Facebook on your iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So for this, open the Facebook and then tap on the three vertical lines at the bottom right. Scroll down to the settings and privacy. Tap on it. Next, tap on settings. Next, scroll down to preferences and then choose media. Then toggle off in-app sound in Facebook and you are done. Next, open the Messenger app. Tap on it. Next, tap three vertical lines at the top. Select setting icon. Then tap notification and sound. Toggle off play while using app in Messenger. You successfully turned off annoying Facebook sounds on iPhone. That's it. It was that simple. Turning off the chirping scroll sound is a great help, especially if you are using Facebook in public or listening to music. So disable the annoying sound and enjoy browsing the app seamlessly. Hope this video will be helpful to you to turn off annoying Facebook sounds on iPhone or iPad, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.